In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through TurboTax Online for the year 2024. Whether you're preparing your taxes for the first time or just need a hand getting through the process, this step-by-step guide will be your trusty companion. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to the TurboTax Online 2024 website. Once you're on the main page, you'll notice a straightforward and user-friendly interface. Look for the friendly prompt that says, "Hi, let's keep working on your taxes," and give it a click. This will lead you seamlessly into the process, picking up right where you left off. Next, we'll move on to managing your personal information. Look for the section labeled Personal Info and click on it. This is where you'll want to make sure all your personal details are accurate and up to date. It's crucial that you spend some time here, as ensuring correct info is key to a smooth tax filing experience. Now, let's tackle your income. Click on the Wages and Income section. Here, you will begin entering your financial data for the year. This is the section where you enter details like your salary, any other additional income, and adjust wage information. Make sure to carefully check this information to avoid any discrepancies. After that, let's focus on investments and savings. Click on Investments and Savings, where you will deal with various forms like 1099-B, 1099-INT, and 1099-DIV. Even if you have cryptocurrency transactions, they belong here too. While you're at it, check for any capital loss carryover information. This can impact your tax situation notably. At this point, it may be necessary to import various tax-related documents. Click on Let's import your tax info. You'll then be prompted to select your financial institution. Use the search bar if you need to find it quickly. Once you've located your financial institution, follow the instructions to import any necessary documents, such as a 1099 form. This step can save you a lot of time as it automatically pulls relevant data into your TurboTax account. Finally, you should see an option to get your forms, like Get My Form for specific institutions such as Fidelity Investments. Click on it to ensure you have all your necessary documents uploaded. There we have it, folks. With these steps covered, you're well on your way to effectively navigating through TurboTax Online for filing your taxes in 2024. Always double check your entries for accuracy and utilize these features to facilitate a smoother filing process. Best of luck, and here's to a successful tax season.